The great thing about working with a visual website builder like Nordcraft is that you get instant feedback on your design and how it's coming together on the canvas, including responsive layouts, typography, and color. In this lesson, we're going to take a deep dive into the Nordcraft color picker. Anywhere you see a little colored square or a swatch icon in the Nordcraft editor, you can click that to open the color picker. A swatch icon means a color has not yet been selected, and the colored square shows you the color that is currently selected for that CSS property. You'll see those squares and icons in various places in the style panel, such as for font color and background color, and in the theme editor, which you can access from the project sidebar or the bottom bar. With the color picker open, you can click the dropper icon to select a color anywhere on your screen, or in the input field, you can type or paste a CSS value in any format, such as a hex code, RGB, RGBA, or HSL value. You can then use the drag handles to adjust the color, and these drag handles will update the hue, saturation, lightness, and alpha values below. You can also type directly into those input fields. Hue, saturation, and lightness, or HSL, is a way to represent RGB color values in a way that humans can more easily perceive the effect of changing the different values. Hue refers to the base color. It's represented by the color strip here, and it's calculated in degrees of the color wheel. It goes from red to yellow to lime to aqua to blue to magenta and finally back to red. The left side of the color strip represents 0 degrees on the color wheel, and the right side represents 360 degrees. Move the handle on the color strip and see the hue value change. Saturation is how pure the hue is. Saturation is a percentage value between 0 and 100%. Move the handle on the large color block to the left or right and see the saturation decrease or increase. To the left is 0% saturation, to the right it's 100%. Lightness is the amount of white or black mixed in with the color, and it's also specified as a percentage value between 0 and 100%. You can control the lightness by moving the handle on the color block up and down. At the bottom is 0% lightness, and at the top is 100% lightness. Finally, the alpha value controls the transparency of the color. It's a value between 0 and 1, and you can edit the alpha value directly in the input field or modify it using the handle on the alpha strip. To the left is 0, which is completely transparent, and to the right is 1, which is completely opaque. All changes that you make in the color picker will be reflected on the canvas on the element you're editing in real time. Now that you understand the basics of the color picker, in the next lesson we'll look at how you can use it to create beautiful gradients, which are all generated in Nordcraft as pure CSS gradients.